what's up, Praise Center Church? This is Jordan here, and we are here at Praise Center Church getting ready for Faith in Action today.
How are you today? God bless you.
We're just about to head out. We have up and down Federal and a few blocks out. We're gonna go out and clean up the community.
We're getting ready to go out and do some faith in action outdoors. And action takes energy. So I'm eating the burrito. Pastor Dan, he's fasting.
Actually, I'm doing the work, he's doing the eating.
We're going to have a great time. We wanted you to be here, but I know some of you couldn't. So thank you for praying for us. It's going to be a great day. And we're going to be leaving in about 10 minutes.
All right.
God bless you, everyone.
Yeah.
Wish you were here.
That's right.
2,000 miles just to be here with my brother William Rodriguez and his crew. And we're going to go out there and hit the streets and try to make a difference in this world. I really appreciate the fellowship here with my brothers and sisters here. And you guys have a tremendous pastor here with my brother William. God bless you. And we're going to rock today for Jesus, right? All
Absolutely.
Right.
This is for the busted hearts. This is for the question marks. This is for the outcast soul, lost control, no one knows. Sing it for the
Here we go. Faith in Action. Being Church, Praise Center Church.
Sing it for the just found out life is now upside down. If you're looking for hope tonight, raise your hand. If you feel alone and don't understand, if you're fighting the fight of your life, then stand. We're gonna make it through this hand in hand. And if we fall, we will fall together.
Well, we got a chance to witness to the community a little bit. A couple of people down by the McDonald's and got to pray for them, and out here picking up trash, helping our community look cleaner, and just out here just doing what we can, just being part of the church, outside of the walls of the church.
Just pray for the couple that we prayed for up there. That's Christine and Howard. And they just need a lot of prayer. They said they might come to church Sunday. So. All right, guys, just to give you an update, we're halfway done. Just kidding, no, we're not. But we've got a couple of bags already. Say hi, Margie. 4 bags. 4 bags, okay. Sister Marianne and brother over here. We're right here on Mississippi, so we're literally 2 blocks away from Praise Center Church. And we still got the other side of Federal to complete.
Okay, well, God bless our church. I love Praise Center Church. I love Jesus, and I am so grateful for this opportunity to come out and just show the love of Jesus. One of the places in the parking lot we were at, we gave out a tract, and I started talking to this couple, and just told them we were from Praise Center, and his name is Gino and Christine. And they've been to Praise Center before, but they want to come back, and they said that they'd be here on Sunday.
We need to take care of our neighborhood. And we need to care for people. So I've gone around this neighborhood so far. We're halfway there. I've picked up a lot of trash. I'm not going to force feed myself to anyone, but someone did ask me for prayer. And I prayed for my heart. Bam! If I wasn't so old, I would have been on my knees. I can't get up that quick anymore. But they felt it, and they needed it. And I know that He's going to guide me to the ones that do.
anchor holds in spite of the storm.
She hasn't took a shower in like about 5 days.
5 days.
It's been 5 days. I really haven't slept for 2 because there's nowhere to sleep. I'm Lakota from Roseland. I've been here since I was 16. I've gone through rape, getting jumped, drug dealing. I became an alcoholic, getting a meth addict 2 years ago. That church is my only sanctuary. I sit there, I sleep.
Because it feels safe.
I sit in shade. And it's the only place I can pray.
There's no you can go down these streets and you get beat up and you get robbed.
Yeah.
And that's just the way it is. And the cops harassed us, but we don't have nowhere to go. I'm an alcoholic too. I've been on the streets, I've been stabbed, I got shot, I got raped too.
I was withdrawing from alcohol and meth. I was so sick, I was shaking and throwing up, and I was in the back. I don't know his name, but he pulled up, and he asked me if I needed help, and I told him yes. He prayed for me, he called the ambulance, and I went to detox, and I was sober for the first time in 2 years for a week. And he helped me.
I've been around here for probably about 10 years, going on 10 years. But I got out of a domestic violence relationship, and that's how I became homeless. His shoes are torn. No one even offered him a pair of shoes, a blanket, nothing. And he just got out of jail over nonsense. But his shoes are all messed up, and no one even offered to help him. If I had shoes, I would. If my shoes fitted him, I would have given him my shoes.
I've been shot at twice, walking from the park and sitting by the church. I was shot at twice, sitting by myself. And the only comfort I had was to sit on them stairs and pray. And to be honest, we're thankful for that church, but we have to apologize for everybody who makes it dirty and disrespects it.
But that's not all of us. That's not.
Liking the way that I'm helping the community face this COVID-19 problem and helping pick up trash so people don't, so I can save the environment and so there's no pollution or anything. And we helped 2 nice people at the McDonald's across the street. We gave them face masks and fruit cups, and that made me feel happy, and we prayed for them, and that just filled my heart up with joy because that's what I like to do most.
just want to thank every one of you that went out with us on our Faith in Action Day this last Friday. Man, what a time we had. I mean, we not only picked up trash in the community, but many of us got to minister to individuals that truly needed for someone to listen to them and to care about them and to share Christ with them. So thank you, team that went with us. You know who you are. God bless you so much. As your pastors, we again are very proud of our church and our church family. Thank you again. We're going to be doing it soon, so save those t-shirts and get ready for number 2. Right, Francine? We had a great time.
We had a wonderful time. And you know, everybody went out with such joy, and I know that it brought joy to the heart of God. So thank you for all that you've done. Thank you for ministering to those who were without hope, the broken, the lost, and I just want to thank everyone who was praying.
Yes, thank you so much. And next time, if you didn't go with us this last Friday, next time get ready, because you're missing out if you're not going out on the neighborhood and reaching people with the good news of Christ and the love of Jesus. Thank you again. God bless you, and we'll see you soon.